Hi, this is Wight Water Pools. We're going to talk about the new Pentair Intellicenter Control System. This was used to be an Easy Touch. If you guys are familiar with that, we upgraded this to the Intellicenter, and there's a lot of nice features you'll notice different than the Easy Touch. You actually have a screen display. Also, you have the newest app from Pentair that has different features inside there that allow you to program it, set up a lot of stuff using the app. Um, if you go into settings here and go down to the advanced system config, and then you could go into setting up your installation, and then you could go into your circuits, and you could actually now name these circuits by clicking here. You could click on a nice keyboard there. So if you wanted to call this, say, like Paul's waterfall or water feature, you could add that here. It does only let you use only so many characters in there, so you can't write out something really long, but it's kind of nice. You can make it show, it will show up on your phone, just make it visible there, turn it on, and now it will show up on your phone too. So a lot of cool features in there, different than the Easy Touch. Makes it a little bit um, easier to add names, and things are spelled out a little bit more. It does have more things in there, so it does complicate it a little bit that way, adding different features, but it also then allows you to use a lot of different systems. If you look at the app here too, you have quite a few different things you could do. So you could see Paul's waterfall that we just set up. You could just click the switch there and easily turn it on and off. And then you could go down here too to schedule in Paul's waterfall or whatever you want to schedule here. So it is a nice functioning control system. If you want to upgrade your old Pentair system, we do recommend that. And just give us a call if you need any help with that, or reply at the bottom any comments.